guys, so today I wanted to review this hair dye shampoo for y'all. I'm so excited to review this shampoo, guys, because it actually works. Now, I know it has been going viral literally everywhere, but it actually lives up to everything people have been saying. I got this shampoo for my mom and my aunt because I'm usually the one who dyes their hair, and now with this shampoo, they can literally do it themselves. So how it works is that you pour some in your hand and you massage your scalp like if it was regular shampoo, and then your work is done. They suggest for you to leave it on for 5 minutes. I've heard people leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and it works perfectly fine. One of the good features that I love about it is that it does not leave your hair stiff, which is something my mom and my aunt absolutely love. It leaves their hair silky, soft, and smooth, so they love that. They also love that it gets all of your roots. Now with other dyes, it's a little bit hard sometimes to get down to the roots, but with this shampoo, it gets literally everything. Now, one thing I did want to mention is that the smell is not the greatest, but trust me, for the work that it does, you're going to be able to resist it and you're gonna love this product. But anyways, guys, yeah, I just wanted to do a quick review and tell you that it actually works and I would 100% recommend it.